Everyone, today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Charge Mini E3 speaker. It's a pretty decent speaker. It comes with pretty decent specs. As you can see, it's a wireless speaker, 6000 mAh battery, 12 hours of music playtime, speakerphone, and a splash-proof speaker. So let's get going. It's obviously not the first unboxing of the speaker, and but it will give you the experience of the unboxing. So let's just put this aside and focus on the main boy here. It's a Chinese speaker, by the way, so I don't know why it doesn't have JBL on it. So this is it. Feels pretty good in hand, premium. It's going for about 350 rands here in South Africa. I don't know in other countries. So this is what we have here. It's a USB. Actually, it's charging in 5 volts. This is for the memory card slots. This is the USB in and the USB charge outs, so you can also charge your phone using the speaker. This is a power on and off button. It's a pretty decent speaker, I can say, for the price range, and it's pretty premium in hand. It's easy to hold. So let's just give it a test here. Just put it on. So I'm gonna play, and I'm gonna put the volume on high, so please bear with me if it's so loud. Okay, so replaying this is okay. So it's pretty loud, although the battery is low. So, but it's a loudspeaker, very loud. I'm also gonna be doing a tear down of the speaker. So you can check the link below of the video. I will be doing a tear down of the speaker, bit by bit. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Cheers.